And I'm going to fold under, so just double checking that I want it kind of facing this way a little bit. So just folding under the top and pressing that down. Okay, just making sure that it's facing the right direction. And you want to make sure it's nice and attached. And then I'm rolling it down. So it's kind of like the arm on a teacup or something. And then press it down. And then you kind of look at it from the side and make sure that it's not squished down such that you can't get your wire through. So I think I've got plenty of room. And I'm trying not to ruin my texture on there too much.